Hi, my name is Kendall Bingham. This is my Module 2 project, a domestic violence support app, and I'm going to show you how it works. The demo I recorded separately on my phone, but basically the app has 5 screens, and the home screen shows all the main features. There's the emergency contact, safety plan, helpline, and resources. On the safety plan and emergency contact page, you can add, you can fill in you can fill it in to add an emergency contact or add a safety plan in there. And once you go out of the app and go back in, it'll still save that information. So I'm going to go through a code walkthrough in this video. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so here's the VS Code. In the app.js file, lines 13 through 30, the app is built with the React Native navigation, and I set up 5 screens using the Stack Navigator. In lines 26 through 42, that's where you see the stack screen components. Each screen is a separate component that handles its own features. And then in the emergency contact.js, lines 120 through 135, this is for the phone integration. I use the React Native's linking API. This function opens the phone's dialer when users tap a contact. And then the linking.open URL, this line opens the phone dialer with the contact's number. I also have SMS integration with the SMS prefix. So, and then in the storage, the local storage, for data persistence, I created storage functions using async storage. This saves contacts and safety plans locally on the device. So in lines 31 through 39, you can see the JavaScript export save contacts async. The save contacts function converts the contacts array to JSON and stores it. Even if the user closes the app or turns off their phone, the data stays saved. So lines 50 through 56, there's the get contacts function. The get contacts function retrieves the saved data and converts it back from JSON. And then in the back to the emergency contact screen.js, lines 36 through 44, there's the use state and use effect. So I use the React hooks to manage the app state. Use state stores the contacts list, and use effect loads the saved contacts when the screen opens. And then lines 36, 43 through and 43 through 45. When users add or delete contacts, the state updates and the data saves to the async storage immediately. And then for the multiple screens, here's the home screen.js. Sorry, there we go. The safety plan.js and the helpline.js. Each screen is a separate component with its own functionality. The home screen handles navigation, emergency contact screen manages the contact list, and safety plan screen handles the safety planning forms. So this app meets all the requirements. It has multiple screens, integrates with the phone for calling, stores data locally with the async storage, and is fully interactive. The code has over 100 lines with detailed comments throughout. Thanks for watching.